Today, I'm making my lemon garlic flank steak. First, squeeze the lemon. Mince the garlic. And finely chop the parsley. Put the flank steak in the skillet. Add the garlic, the parsley, and the lemon juice, and rub it all over. Now generously salt and pepper the steak. Drizzle the entire steak with olive oil and rub it in. Then get some of the juice under the steak. Now broil on high for about 8 minutes. After 8 minutes, remove it from the oven. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe. Remove the steak from the skillet and let it rest for about 5 to 10 minutes to retain the juices. Slice it against the grain. Perfectly cooked flank steak. Thanks for watching.